Good morning, children. Hi. How are you, everyone? Doing great? Yes? Very good, children. Yes. And children, are you studying at home? Yes? Very good. Keep studying at home. Okay? So, I am back with one more new letter. Yay! But before that, we will sing one poem. Yes. Would you like to sing with me? Yes. Let's start. The title of the poem is The Alphabets. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. X, Y, Z, butter on a bread. If you don't like it, go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me. I will teach you A, B, C. Very good, children. Do you like the poem? Yes? Very good. So, children, today I am going to teach you new letter. Letter O. Letter O. Yes. So, I am going to tell you the things which are starting with letter O, and I am going to show you also how to write letter O. Yes. Children, isn't it O is look like a circle only? Yes, correct. It's look like a circle only. But it's letter. Okay? Letter O. Okay, children? So, O for orange. Correct. O for orange. And orange is a fruit. Correct. You like to eat orange? Orange juice? Yes. Orange candies? Yes. Very good. O for owl. Yes, children. O for owl. A large bird with big head. Yes, and eyes. There are around 200 species of owls. And owls are active at night. Yes. And owls can turn their neck like 360 degree. Yes. O for olive. What is olive? Olive, the oily fruit of an evergreen tree. We put olives on the pasta or pizza. Yes, green color olives. Have you seen, children? Yes. So, O for olive. O for October month. Yes. October is the 10th month of the year. Okay? Like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Yes. So, October is the 10th month of the year. So, O for October. Okay? O for orchids. See, children, isn't it beautiful? Yes, they are flowers and they are so beautiful. Yes. So, O for orchids, a plant with usually showy flowers. Okay. O for oven. Oven. And why we use oven? Yes, for baking items like cake, biscuit, cookies. Yes, your mama makes cake. Yes, very good. O for oil. O for oil. And where we are using oil? Yes, for cooking our food. Yes, to massage our hair. Yes, and body massage. Correct? For these purposes we use oil. Okay. O for onion. Onion. Yes, children. An onion is a vegetable. Correct. An onion makes you cry, isn't it? Yes. Ask your mama. Okay. So O for onion. Okay. O for omelette. Yes. Do you like to eat omelette? Yes. Yes. So O for omelette. Okay. O for children. Yes. Ocean. Yes. And what is ocean, children? An ocean is a large, huge body of salt water. Yes. We can call ocean sea. Sea, yes. Would you like to go on the beach? Yes. And play in the sand? Yes. That is ocean. Yes. O for ostrich. Ostrich is a very large bird. And we can find this bird in Africa country. Yes. See this, children, how big is this bird? Yes. Isn't it? Correct. O for octopus. Yes. Octopus. An octopus is a sea animal with 8 arms. See? Can you see his 8 arms, children? Yes, in this picture. Correct? Yes. So O for octopus. Okay, children. Now I will show you how to write letter O. Okay. First, put a dot like this. Yes. Correct. Now, from the dot, make a curve. Go down with the curve. Yes, like this. Now go up with the curve. And now join this curve to our dot. Like this. Correct. This is how you will write your letter O. Okay. Circle. Isn't it looks like a circle only? Yes, correct, children. Okay, children, now I will show you how to write letter O in our 4-line notebook. Okay? Again, let's put a dot like this for writing our letter O. Yes. And you will write your letter from red line to blue line. Okay. Don't write your letter like this. This is wrong way. Okay. Always write your letter from red line to blue line. Yes. See. Now teacher is going to show you. See how teacher is writing. Like this you have to write your letter O. Okay. From the dot, curve. Then again go down with the curve, go up with the curve. Now join this curve to our dot. This is how you will write your letter O. Okay, children? Yes, like this. Okay, children, now our story time. Yes, and our today's story name is Otto at an Old Cave. Yes, are you ready, children? Let us start. Otto is a baby ostrich. He lives under an oak tree. He likes to eat oranges. One night, Ollie the owl comes to meet him. Let us go out for a picnic, says Ollie. They go to an old cave and meet Okaya, the orangutan there. They eat oranges and have a good time together. Yes, children, do you like the story of our little Otto, the ostrich? Yes, very good, children. Thank you, students, for watching this video. I hope this was fun as well as we enjoyed our small story. I would like to request everyone to practice writing this letter O at home. Okay, children? Bye bye. Take care. See you next time.